Nigeria are in panic as ISWAP's terrorist group vow to start using drill or other technology to attack. A report by the Institute of Security Study, ISS, has revealed that the Islamic State West Africa Province, ISWAP, is set to deploy drill and other technology for attack. The report stated that weaponizing and adopting unarmed vehicles is a new trend in the ISWAP operation strategies and could worsen the conflict as it might change the conflict dynamics and give the violent extremist group the upper hand against the victims' countries. ISS stated that the research shows that ISWAP has already been training their own terrorist group on how to carry IED with drill, on how long it may go and how far it may stay in the air. The report further revealed that currently, ISWAP's use of drill has been limited to propaganda, surveillance, and communication. The research further recommended that increased government investment in technology and participation with the tech company will further put the Islamic State terrorists on a good position.
This is ODUA TV Watch. Don't forget to subscribe, comment your opinion, like, comment and share so that other people can get access to what you enjoy on our channel. Thank you. We love you.